Hello, everybody. Welcome to After 9. Tonight, I wanted to go over some things I've been thinking about with Jamie Dimon from JP Morgan. Jamie Dimon has come out and basically just kind of bashed recently Bitcoin and basically calling it a fraud, a bubble, and numerous other things. And they've gone on to actually purchase Bitcoin, but we'll get back to that. What I really wanted to bring to everybody's attention is something that most people probably either don't know or forgotten about. JP Morgan Chase and Company on Liberty Street in Manhattan is directly across the street from the Fed. These two things couldn't be more important. What's going on? And if you look it up, the JP Morgan Chase has a basement and the largest vault in the world. It's an entire football field long, and a tunnel directly to the Fed. It's 5 stories down, lays directly on the bedrock, completely anchored in with steel rods and completely immune to blasts. So should ever an event of attack on the country happen, it's basically safe and it won't even flood. Back to the more important stuff. So it's connected directly to the Fed. And then we have Germany sometimes asking for, hey, we need our money back, we need our gold. How convenient to move things back and forth, but how does this all tie together? Big thing is, what they're doing, JP Morgan's been manipulating currency, for a long time. They've actually paid fines for it. They've been sued by the government for it, not nearly as much as they manipulated and made and been profitable. They're getting fined $1 billion. They're making hundreds of billions of dollars or whatever it might be. So these guys manipulating the current fiat US dollar currency and looking at the Bitcoin market and taking on, it's up to like a $250 billion market cap right now. And end of the day, really, this could potentially replace, your fiat currencies as you know it. So this is scary because if things come to call and the dollar isn't worth a whole hell of a lot and you have this cryptocurrency out there, Bitcoin or any of the altcoins that come to play, taking on more of a role in our investing strategy, these guys are in some serious trouble. So why not go out there and say it's a fraud and, put this out there and being a big bank and out like that. So that's something we really need to keep in mind is these guys are tied to the Fed literally through a tunnel in the basement 5 stories below New York in Manhattan. So these guys have a giant interest in seeing cryptocurrency not do very well or put a tarnish on it. So when we're looking at the news and making decisions on whether we want to buy or sell or mine, build machines, invest in cloud mining, we have to remember where we're getting the information from mainstream media from. JP Morgan is not somebody we want to take our information from and why we should or shouldn't invest in it because they're directly tied to it. They're manipulating fiat currency. They're also doing a bunch of other things, money laundering. You can't, they do everything that's bad with the current fiat currency. Those things are not possible with cryptocurrency because it's decentralized. Nobody controls it. They don't have a play here. Everybody's, equal playing field. So that's what I wanted to bring everybody's attention tonight. I know, people that watch my channel and other channels, we give you a little information here and there, what we know. But I think what people are missing is when you're seeing this Bitcoin in the mainstream media, we have to really dig and find out what we're looking at, who's giving us that information. In this case, Jamie Dimon isn't the best person to get that information from. He's been involved in money laundering. He's been in mortgage fraud as September. Just got caught, with currency manipulation. So we don't want to be taking information from them. I'm not saying take information from me. I'm still learning just like everybody in the cryptocurrency world is learning. This is a new environment. Basically, we're risking money or time, energy, electricity, things like that. But we want to get the best information we can. So I wanted to bring that out there for you guys. If you have anything to add to this, definitely post it below. I'll look it up and do some research, either post in the below area for the messages or I'll do a follow-up video. But I think I want to get more into where we're getting the information, start getting more information about cryptocurrencies and who's investing in it and where we're going from here. Thanks for watching the late night video, guys. I appreciate it. Like the video if you can. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do a couple of videos usually every week. Occasionally we do some crypto giveaways and things like that. Again, appreciate you for watching and subscribe to the channel. We'll get some more videos out there about this guy.